Thank you, Miss Nikki. What did I teach you?
Dr. Crawford. I sir. He taught me that. What is it? Sir. No, I'm telling them. That, you know, sometimes we get scared to fall in love and we're not in love. But, you know, it's such a wonderful feeling and it's such a wonderful place to be in when you love someone and that someone loves you. But, then again, it doesn't always turn out the way you want it to.
That's right. You know what? Love is not necessarily happy thoughts all the time. Yes. It's not necessarily. You go through things in life. You can go love with your family, with your friends, when you fall in and out of relationships with friends and family. But it hurts when you love someone and it doesn't work out the way you want it to work.
Have you ever experienced that? Have you ever broken your heart?
Have I ever had my heart broken? Well, I forgot about every other relationship. Bong agrees with me.
Nalatawa yung kanina guitarist. Nalatawa yung ating guitarist.
Gusto mo last na ba ako?
Totoo ba yun, Paul? Totoo ba yun? Pag hirap ka, kalimutan mo na lahat.
It's when you start something new, you have to move on. You learn from your mistakes, right?
Yes.
The past, it hurts.
Yes.
But I learned this from you. You have to move on and you have to trust one another. You have to just, I'm happy. So why would I